Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. I am here to make a natural hair moisturizer mix using these products. It is the Garnier Fructis conditioner, castor oil, olive oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and vitamin E oil. So, if you want to see how I mix up my mixture, please stay tuned. First, I want to show you my bottle here. This bottle comes from Dollar General. It is a silver metallic bottle with a gray sprayer, and it was $2. And what I'm going to mix up today, like I said earlier, some mixture for my natural hair. I have water, so you can mix this up however you like to mix it up to your liking. And I am going to mix it up to my liking. So I have some water here, and it says 1.5 ounce of water. And I have some conditioner here. It is by Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, and it is a fortified conditioner, and it has with argan oil from Morocco. Okay, this is conditioner. It's not leave-in, but regular conditioner. Then I have some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Any brand will do. Then I have some castor oil. I have some vitamin E oil. I have rosemary oil and peppermint oil. And this is all that I am going to put into the mixture. And you guys, I am going to just pour in. I'm not going to measure or anything, but this will just be to my liking. My olive oil, my vitamin E oil, my castor oil, rosemary oil, peppermint oil, and you guys, I got one more ingredient that I'm going to add, and this is my tea tree oil. Here we go. And I am going to stir it up. And the conditioner will dissolve. So you guys, I am going to pour over in this sprayer here. And if it fills up, I do have another bottle that I can pour the remaining in for my son's hair. And I am going to shake it up and spray a little. There we go. My hair moisturizer. Thank you all so much for watching. So if you want to use this technique, please follow this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and please stay tuned for many more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And please go to Facebook and like my page for the love of beauty. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and feel free to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. And comment and thumbs up my videos. But if you thumbs down, just know that I thank you for the view. Thank you so much, and be blessed. Bye-bye.